We're gonna get it creased. I'm gonna take
one last time, let's live for something. I can feel my blood, it's rushing. This ain't goodbye, we'll be back someday, and we will find our way.
So she, as you can see in the last video, she fired up. So that is an accomplishment. Now that she's fired up, we're actually doing something to make it so that it doesn't fire for a little bit. We're breaking it to fix it. We're taking the tank out because we can't have that. And then we got this small little tank, this boat tank.
The little engine that could.
Oh yeah. This went into like a Ford Escort or something. So we're hoping that it'll push this car, but there's only one way to find out. We're going to hook it all up, put the tank in here, hook the fuel line that's on it up to the fuel lines on this car. Probably. But we're going to find out. We have a steak dinner bet on this too. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully she fires back up after we do all this. If not, then we're going to have to figure something out to get a better tank or something. All right, so we have, we ended up pouring the fuel. Well, we got the tank in there.
Smells horrible.
Poured the fuel all over the floor, but it's fine. We got water to dilute it. We got all these wires set up, and the way we did these up here is last minute thinking here. I took the wires, kind of stripped them back a little bit farther, and then wrapped it around the deals. So we're going to fire it up and see if she runs. Keep in mind, this was in an Escort at first, so. Come on, Lumina. Oh! She fires good. Ladies and gentlemen. A little bit blurry. Don't know what's going on there. Sorry, folks. Bring it! She is firing sweetly. All right, now that means we can crease this car, weld this car. It is going. Where's it going? Let's. Yeah, Colville, Utah. We will have updates on kind of what's going on there. But now Eli's got a chance to fire her up. But that's what's going on right now, and now we can start. Like we got to move this. This is the ECU. This is the computer. Oh, hey, the video kind of fixed itself. I do apologize for that little bad footage there, guys. But we can move this, which is the computer, and we're gonna move. Let me show you guys where we're gonna move this at. Oh yeah, that'd be good. Pop those off. But we're gonna cut into this right here, and we're gonna put the computer right there. We might break that out. I don't know yet. Then we got to move this with it. This will probably just go right here. I'm thinking maybe over a little bit, like right here. Somewhere in that area. Then we got to find the, once again, we got to find that temp thing, the temperature deal, and we got to dummy switch it. So we'll search for that. And next thing, you guys, in the next video, guys, you guys might start seeing that. Well, actually, you might see it later in this video. But you guys will start seeing this get welded, creased, and all that. So, yeah. This is what's going on at Lazy Eye Racing, and she fires. So we got to find out one more time. I think these are negative. So I hooked them to the black wire. And then we're going to try something. Because it's all going to go into the same current into that. We're going to take this black one, hook it into what I think is the ground. So it'll probably be that wire. Or that wire, one of the two. And then our positive will hook in to these. Like that. And then these will hook into the battery cables. So this is our negative, even though it shows red, but we got this green tape telling us it's negative, and a little bit of a black mark there. So that's our negative. It has its negative hooked up in there. And then, just to show some people that we are serious about this, we got rebar, because this is going to be welded up. Not only did we get rebar, but we're going to come out here. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a little bit cloudy out here. We got us an 8-pound hammer from Tractor Supply that we're going to use. And this trunk, what our vision is right about here. We're going to have a cut in there on the inside. And then we're going to take the sledgehammer that we got right here. And we're just going to pound it in and tuck it. And then we're going to take our rebar that's over there. Take it. I got my welder at home that'll bring over. And we'll just throw a weld all the way till it bent where it bends. And then we'll be good. We'll be good with the trunk. So that's what's going on with the trunk and the gas. Then we got to find the temp sensor in here. We're gonna dummy plug it. So if you don't know what that means, all we're gonna do is buy another temp sensor, hook it into the wires of the other piece, and it's gonna make this car think that it's not gonna overheat, even though it probably will. We don't know, but that way it doesn't go into limp mode, which just slows the car down and could ruin a whole entire. Oh yeah, definitely. It is the next day, and all we're doing today is just moving some stuff. We'll show you how we're going to move it, where we're going to move it. Main things we're moving is this, which is just a fuse box, and then the computer. We're probably going to have to disconnect this host to do it, and then we're just going to put it somewhere in here. We'll show you in a bit where it's going to go. But we're also going to cut a hole down around there, so we're going to have to get in the car and cut through for the battery cables, and then we're going to have to suck them tight with some zip ties so they don't rub against the belt there, because that would not be good at all. So Austin's over here getting the fuse box and the computer. I'm actually cleaning up a mess from the fuel